Hey yo, what's good YouTube? This is Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another video, and today I got another POV. I know I said I'm gonna slow down on these POVs, but it seems like y'all really fuck with them. Y'all ain't leaving no likes, but y'all really clicking on the videos. I don't know if it's the quality or what, but I know y'all fuck with it. Y'all just need to hit the like button. Let's just go ahead out to the video, do one more little walk around while we're here, and I'm gonna reiterate this motherfucker. Y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, go ahead, comment too, and turn on them post notifications. But shit, I ain't gonna lie, I need to watch. But yeah though, man, we're just gonna hop into the POV. Probably gonna go downtown again. I don't know. Just gonna see where the wind blow it.
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. Retake engine 3.2 at the TL. Let's go hard.
I'm trying to be a little bit too crazy. I'm trying to be a little bit too crazy. We even had thoughts on the baby. We even had thoughts on the baby. Okay. G to the L to the O, big glow. Oh, big glow. What up, bitch? See, my shit all the way up there, gango. That little goddamn turbo tried to spool the fuck up. On gang, I was just speaking about Lil Glow. Then that little turbo decided to spool up. Big Glow and little turbo, hell yeah. L to the I to the L, little turbo. You better run it. Motherfucking track. That homeless man rolling up a blunt. I'ma need you to speed this motherfucker up, To the O, big glow. So how was y'all's day today? Was y'all having a good day today? I hope y'all niggas was. I ain't gonna lie to you. I stayed up in the goddamn crib all damn day, doing not a fuck thing. I knew I wasn't supposed to, but fuck, it felt good, dog. Pause. Bro, I put new tires and new rotors and new goddamn pads on this motherfucker. I be damn if this bitch trying to shake again. I hope it ain't no goddamn bent wheel. Bent wheel, what the fuck? No bent wheel. I hope it ain't no bent wheel. If it is, fuck. I got some more wheels. I just need to go ahead and refinish them bitches. But I don't know what's the best way to go with it. Cause some people say, yeah, I can just spray paint it over and just be good as normal, but I don't want to do that. I want it to look brand new. Almost zero scratches. I know I got all them swirl marks on my goddamn car, but shit. Sometimes you just want some nice things, you know? There's two things that you never find out. They don't look you and they never look you right now. Someone need, fuck. This goddamn bitch better lead me to the right direction too. Why did I take off like that? Jesus. Motherfucker took off with vengeance. Motherfucker took off with anger. Motherfucker said, I'm gonna take off with a motherfucking handful of lead and throw it at your bitch ass. God. Yeah, this should be the right way. Hold on, if you switch those two letters around, I'ma shut the fuck up. I need to get a goddamn thumbnail while I'm bullshitting. It'd be the perfect motherfucking place. Flashing on this. Oh, yeah. Got. It's a lot of goddamn bodies. A lot of goddamn bodies on this motherfucking street. Hey, you gonna have to move it, gang. I'm in the middle of the fucking road. You gonna have to move it. Hey, I'm gonna be in your ass like goddamn Monday. And niggas is getting over and shit. Hell nah. I can't go forward. Damn, baby. You in a Nissan and this beat up. I know niggas been beating that goddamn club up. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. I need some darker tint on this motherfucker. The bitches say that. The bros say that. Well, not bitches. Cause I don't get no hoes. And this goddamn tent a little bit old too, so shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna have to turn on some goddamn AC. It cold. I mean, it hot. Once again, gang go. I'm in the middle of the street. Get me out of here. Is that Unk ass back on that motherfucking tray? Hell nah, this OG ass on that motherfucking Polaris. But it turned that shit off. It sound like bullshit. Your bass sound like treble. But I ain't gonna lie to you though, gang. I don't know why the fuck I came back down here. This is a waste of gas. I don't even know if I can use this motherfucking clip here because OG ass behind me. I looked at my goddamn analytics. Hold on. I looked at my goddamn analytics, gang. That shit ain't nothing but a fucking sausage party, my G. Okay, cool. I can go down there, but it's just gonna be goddamn a waste of time. And I can't get over because, yep, over with. God damn it. Could have turned right. But somehow we just kept going forward. Fuck. Ooh, see something good. Let me get the fuck out the way. Hey, y'all niggas just gonna have to go forward. I can't do shit. Damn. That bitch got a tummy. You thought I'd say that bitch got a fat ass? Hell nah, that bitch got a tummy. Alright, cool. I'm at the sidewalk, hopefully. I can't get over. I'm too close to this nigga's asshole. I can't get over. But that bitch got ass though. I can see that shit from the front. I can't lie to you. And shit, this shit here really ain't my cup of tea. This ain't my goddamn stilo. I ain't gotta be in the goddamn bright lights. God, they made those? The two biggest dicks down here. Is that a ZR1? Nah, that's a goddamn, nah, that's just a 24 guy. That's all that is. That's all that is. The LT sound good though. Damn, I see you, gang. I see you. Ah, there's That's my other uncle right there. That nigga too cool. And he don't know what that is. Look like the roaches. Put the strap up. Put the strap up. Not even motherfucker got down escorting the game. That bitch had a fat ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. Damn. I'm some knockers. Oh, fuck. You better stop it, G. It's GTA out here. If I can't get a light. Oh, fuck, dude. Is that the same goddamn vid? not as spectacular in that motherfucker, cause hey, you can't see him. Home baby, a triple. Oh yeah. Would've went more downtown, gang, but it's too much traffic for me, man. I wanna at least move and groove to that motherfucker. I don't wanna just stay still. That fucking exhaust duty, fuck. Just ain't trying to, hey, I don't want to make that bit loud, but I want to keep it a daily sound. It's not gonna be no track car whatsoever. At the most, I'm gonna try to make it a super daily, nigga. know if I get that exhaust and that cold air, bro, on GTA, in the GTA Shiesty 5M server, y'all just seen me do like almost 90 kilometers in that goddamn third gear right there. And B got a little pep in the step, gang. He got a little pep in the step. As far as today's video though, my dog, it's probably gonna be a wrap. We got a couple ton of pools and went downtown, gang. We saw some hoes. We saw some hoes in different area codes, my dog. But shit, hey, we gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. If y'all did like the video, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, and I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
I'll tell you some shit if you know it's a lie. Man, that bitch needs to stay on.